Hi, this is Indraneel and welcome to Business Bites on our channel, The Spotlight Beyond Profession, India's first online business news channel. In today's Business Bites, first news we have Bajaj Housing stock lists at 115% premium with 150 rupees. Second news we have Flipkart and Amazon festive sales to start from 27 September where quick commerce in close watch. Third news we have LightSpeed venture fund set to lead a deal with Qure.Ai. Fourth news we have E2E Networks gave 280% return in stock market matched with Nvidia level. And fifth news we have former Cleartrip CEO to roll out new quick commerce venture. In first news, Bajaj Housing Finance IPO, which was priced at 70, made a strong debut in Indian stock market. The stock listed at a price of 150, which is 115% above the IPO price tag, and subsequently the price soared another 10% and share price closed at 165 at the end. With this, Bajaj Housing Finance market capitalization stood at 1.37 lakh crore on the first day, and that made the company as most valuable in this segment. On its first day in the stock market, the market value of Bajaj Housing Finance was more than the total market cap of the next four largest housing finance companies, including HUDCO, LIC Housing, PNB Housing, and Aadhar Housing. The 6,560 crore IPO of Bajaj Housing was subscribed 64 times, which accounting to nearly 3.23 lakh crore, the highest ever demand in Indian primary market history. In second news, Indian e-commerce market leaders Amazon India and Walmart-owned Flipkart are set to start their festive season sale on September 27th. Ahead of the sale, Flipkart created more than 1 lakh job opportunities across its supply chain, while Amazon hired more than 110,000 temporary workers in cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, and Chennai. Flipkart has also expanded its supply chain network in India by launching 11 new fulfillment centers. But this year, the market will be little different as quick commerce players are also there to compete them, and they have already created a strong customer base and made their platform popular among them. Quick commerce platforms like Blinkit, Instamart, and Mumbai-based Zepto are also preparing for an action-packed Diwali and aiming to increase their market share further. In third news, leading venture fund LightSpeed is set to lead a $50 to $60 million deal with Qure.Ai through its growth fund. Qure.Ai provides AI-based decision support tool for diagnostic images, and since inception they raised around $60 million in capital and was last valued at around $233 million. This would be the third major deal by Lightspeed from its growth fund after having invested in quick commerce Zepto and edtech firm PhysicsWallah. Qure.Ai has started in the year 2016 and has undertaken a significant shift in its clients' focus, where majority of its revenue comes from overseas market. This fresh deal also marks as growing activity from Lightspeed, especially in growth stages, as Lightspeed has been competing aggressively for many deals this year. In fourth news, 15 years old NSE listed company E2E Networks, which is an indigenous artificial intelligence cloud service provider, became the best performing IT stock of 2024 so far with 280% yield in year-to-date return. The company recently developed its graphic processing units sourced from Nvidia, and E2E Network is amongst one of the largest Indian players in the cloud GPU market since its inception in 2009. It has entered the GPU cloud market in India in 2018 when nobody else was there in this segment. At present, they have several Indian unicorns as their client like Car.Dekho, 1MG, Zomato, Jungly Games, and Purple.com. E2E Networks is having around 2,500 to 3,000 customers, which are majorly startups and MSMEs, and their 70% revenues come from India, while remaining 30% comes from outside India. Its infrastructure as a service platform supports a large variety of computing workloads for developers, SMEs, startup enterprises, higher education and research. Recently, they have empaneled by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, indicating the suitability of its cloud platforms for use by the government for its computing workloads as well. And in fifth news, former CEO of Flipkart-owned Cleartrip, Mr. Ayappan R, is set to launch a new quick commerce retail venture. Mr. Ayappan previously held various roles in Flipkart, including Chief Business Officer of Myntra, is now launching a new retail venture by positioning that as Costco for India. This new venture will be focusing on delivering a selected range of premium products within 20 to 30 minutes and will also have an offline retail presence. It will cover various retail categories like FMCG, health and fitness, fashion and many more, and will offer both international and national brands. The registered brands for the venture are called First Club and is also planning to offer a diverse range of products including unbranded goods like dry fruits, healthy and localized products like freshly ground atta. So these were the top 5 business news in Business Bites from our channel, The Spotlight Beyond Profession, India's first online business news channel. So thank you very much for watching Business Bites and signing it off.